Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Amma dile. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Friends are joining only.
Good
So let us wait. See, ma'am is taking from home today. For next week also, ma'am is taking from home.
Why, ma'am, you taking from home?
Ma'am is in this area is in containment zone. The containment zone now. That's why.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So your friends are joining only. Just we can wait for a few seconds. Okay. How are you all? Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
How are you, ma'am? I'm fine, thank you.
I'm
How
good.
are you?
Thank you.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Only 27 joined. Okay. So just we can start.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
So we
ma'am.
are good afternoon. People. Good afternoon,
Koi.
people. See, please be quiet. Please be quiet.
No, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Please mute your device. Otherwise, it will be a disturbance for others. Please mute your device. If ma'am will call your name, then you please unmute and tell me the answer. Okay. So just we can revise what all things we studied in the chapter subtraction. And taking away is called subtraction. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Taking away is called subtraction. And we use which symbol? We use minus symbol for subtraction. Very good, very good. We use a minus symbol for subtraction. And the answer we get on subtracting, we will call it as difference. The answer we get on subtracting is called difference. Okay. Then today we are going to discuss how to subtract using our fingers. Using our fingers. When we discuss addition, we use our fingers. We use our 10 fingers. Now, when we add the numbers, and here also we are using our fingers to subtract the numbers. So all of you show me the fingers. All of you show me the fingers. Okay, very good, very good. Now hands down. Hands down, all of you please hands down. And show me one. Show me one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 fingers, no? 10 fingers. So we use this 10 fingers for subtracting numbers. Now all of you please put your hands down. Okay. Now let us see. Let us see. 5 minus 3. No need to write now. Simply I'm writing on the board. No need to write now. Simply I wrote 5 minus 3. Okay. How we will subtract using our fingers? Here which is the first number? 5. So all of you please open 5 fingers. Open 5 fingers. All of you please open 5 fingers. Bennett, show me 5 fingers. 5, only 5, only 5. Okay. From this 5, 5 minus 3. So from this 5, 3 taken away. 3 taken away. So that means 3 we have to close. 1, 2, 3. So all of you please close the 3 fingers. From the 5 fingers, close 3 fingers. What is remaining? What is remaining? 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Answer is 2. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay. Now let us see another one. Let us see another one. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. So open 7 fingers. Open 7 fingers. 7 fingers. Very good. Very good. Now 7 minus 2. So from the 7 fingers, we have to close 2 fingers. Close 2 fingers. Now what is remaining? What is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The remaining is 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Now let us see another one. Let us see another one. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. So open 6 fingers. Open 6 fingers. 6 fingers. Okay. Now 6 minus 4. So from this 6, close 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is remaining? What is remaining? 2. 2. What is remaining? 2. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now let us see another one. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. So open 2 fingers. From this 2 fingers, close 2. So 2 only, no? So 2 minus 2. We are closing 2 fingers. What is remaining? Nothing. Nothing. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now I am going to ask everyone. I am going to ask everyone. So please be quiet. To whom I am calling, they will give me the answers. Others, please be quiet. Okay. Wilfred, show me within fingers. 3 minus 1. What is the answer? 3 minus 1. Show me 3 fingers. Okay. Show me 3 fingers. Very good. Now from this, close 1 finger. 1 finger. What is remaining?
2.
2. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Others, please be quiet. Chaitanya. 5 minus 2. What is the answer? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. What is the answer?
3.
Very good. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Bennett.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bennett. 6 minus 4. Show me the number. 6 minus 4. Show me the number. 6. Very good. From that, close 4 fingers. What is remaining? 2. Very good. Very good. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay. Now, Mitra. I will call everyone. I will call everyone. Mitra, listen, ma'am. 8 minus 5. Show me 8 minus 5.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Others, please be quiet.
2. 1, 2, 3.
What is remaining? 8 minus 5. What is remaining? Show me 8 fingers once again. 8 fingers. Very good. 8 minus 5. From that, close 5 fingers. What is remaining? Unmute. Please unmute. Please unmute. Okay, what is the answer?
3.
Very good, very good. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay, Mitra. Now, Parvati. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. Show me the fingers. 5 minus 1. You already took. Okay, very good. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Very good, Parvati. Very good. Now, Meenakshi. Meenakshi. 7 minus 1. What is the answer? 7 minus 1. Show me the fingers. 7 fingers. Okay. 7 minus 1. So, you have to close one finger only. So, what is remaining? What is remaining? 6. Very good. Very good. Very good. And Roy.
Yes, ma'am.
7 minus 4. Show me 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. Take 7 fingers. From that, close 4 fingers. Close 4 fingers.
3.
What is remaining? 3. Very good. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now, Sam Tom. 5 minus 5. What is the answer? 5 minus 5, Sam Tom? 5 minus 5. What is the answer? No need to look anywhere. Show me 5 fingers. Show me 5 fingers. Listen here. Show me 5 fingers. 5 only. That is 10. 5 only. Okay, 5. Now 5 fingers, no? 5 minus 5. 5 were there. 5 you close.
0.
Others, please be quiet.
0.
Others, please be quiet. See, Sam, listen here. 5 were there. 5 taken away. What is remaining?
0.
0. 5 were there. 5 taken away. Answer is 0. Now, Aradhya, others, please be quiet.
Yes, ma'am.
I will call out all the names. Aradhya, listen, ma'am. 6 minus 3. Show me 6 fingers. 6 fingers. 6 fingers. 6. Okay. Now from this 6, close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. What is remaining? What is remaining? Tell me. Count it. Aradhya, show me 6 fingers. Aradhya, show me 6 fingers. 6 fingers. Now it is 6. Okay, now it is 6. I ask 6 minus 3. So, from that 6, you have to take away 3. Okay, that means you have to close 3 fingers. You close only 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. What is remaining?
1, 2,
Uh,
3.
what is remaining?
2.
No. Show me once again. Show me once again. Show me 6 fingers. Show me 6 fingers. Okay. Now I can see. Okay. Now from this, you also close 3 fingers. Others, please be quiet. Close 3 fingers. Aradhya, listen here. 3 fingers. So 1, 2, 3. Aradhya, listen here. Aradhya, no need to look at mother. Listen here. Okay. Show me 6 fingers once again. Once again, 6 fingers.
Man,
Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now 6 fingers. 6 minus 3. So we have to take away 3. Okay. So from the 6 fingers, close 3 fingers. So close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. What is remaining, Aradhya?
6. 3.
Now you got the answer. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So when I am calling others' names, you mute your device and do it. And check the answer. Okay. Now Advaita PS. Others, please be quiet. Advaita PS. Advaita, please unmute. 7 minus 3. What is the answer, Advaita? Show me. 7 minus 3. Show me. 7 minus 3. Show me 7 fingers. 7. Very good. From this, close 3 fingers. Close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. What is remaining?
4.
Very good, very good. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Stefano, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
4 minus 2. Show me 4 minus 2. 4. 4 minus 2. Show me 4 fingers. Show me 4 fingers. Very good. Now from this 4, you have to take away 2. So you have to close 2 fingers. 1, 2. What is remaining?
2.
Very good. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, Stefano. Tirtha, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please unmute Tirtha. Okay, now listen here. Listen here. 8 minus 2. What is the answer? 8 minus 2. So 8 fingers. You show me 8 fingers. Show me. Ah, very good. Very good. From this 8, cross 2 fingers. 1, 2. What is remaining?
6.
Very good, Tirtha. Very good. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now, Anurag, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
9 minus 4. Show me 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. Show me 9 minus 4. 9. Now from this close 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer?
5.
Very good. Very good. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Nihal? Nihal?
Yes, ma'am.
7 minus 1. What is the answer? 7 minus 1.
6.
So take 7 fingers. Very good. Very good. Quick answer. Very good. Tom Saji. Tom Saji, where are you? Only chair is here.
Yes.
Okay. Show me 5 minus 2. Show me 5 fingers. Only 5. From this 5, close 2 fingers. What is remaining?
3.
3. Very good. Muhammad Ali, where are you? Okay. 8 minus 2. Show me 8 minus 2, Muhammad Ali. 8 minus 2. 8 fingers you have to take. 8 fingers.
3, 4,
Ah.
5,
Ah.
6, 7, 8.
Very good. From this 8, close 2 fingers.
8
1, 2.
and 2 finger cloth and 6.
What is remaining? What is remaining? Very good. Very good. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Now Madhav. Madhav. 5 minus 4. Show me 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. So show me 5 fingers. Okay. Now only 5. Only 5. Only 5. Okay. From this 5, close 4 fingers. Close 4 fingers. What is remaining?
1.
Very good. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Krishna? 6 minus 2. Show me 6 minus 2. Show me 6 fingers. Okay? 6. Ah, very good. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Karthik? Karthik? 9 minus 2. What is the answer? 9 minus 2, Karthik? 9 minus 2. What is the answer? Show me 9 fingers. Show me 9 fingers. From that, close 2 fingers. What is remaining? Please unmute and tell me the answer. Unmute the device and tell me answer. Unmute the device and tell me answer. What is answer?
7.
Ah, 7. Very good. Now, Arjun Krishna Janish. Arjun Krishna. Arjun Krishna Janish. 5 minus 1. What is answer? Very simple. 5 minus 1. Open 5 fingers. Close 1. No, no, no. Minus only. Minus only, dear. So we have to close one finger. Okay. So what is remaining? 5 minus 1. 5 fingers. Okay. From this, close one finger. So 4. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Advait Manoj. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
6 minus 1. Show me 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. So from this 6, close one finger. What is remaining?
5.
Very good, very good. Now Siddhi Vinayak. Siddhi Vinayak, please unmute. Siddhi Vinayak, please unmute. Okay. 5 minus 3. What is the answer, Siddhi? 5 minus 3. What is the answer? 5 minus 3. Very good, very good. Now, okay, very good. Jennifer,
Yes, ma'am.
5 minus 1. Show me 5 fingers. Show me 5 fingers. Now, 5 minus 1. So, 1 you have to close. So, 1 taken away. So, what is remaining?
4.
Very good. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Nived, listen here, Nived, please unmute and tell me answer. Okay. 5 minus 3. What is answer? 5 minus 3. Show me 5 fingers. From that, close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. What is remaining? No. 5 fingers, no? This is 5. Open 5 fingers. Okay, very good. Now, from this, close 2 fingers. Close 2 fingers. What is remaining?
2.
If it is 5 minus 2, it is 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Once again. Nived, once again. Okay. Nived, once again. Show me 5 fingers. Show me 5 fingers, Nived. Okay. 5 minus 2. Show me 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. So, 2 you have to close. 1, 2. Close 2 fingers. What is remaining?
3.
Very good, very good. Now, Anay, 4 minus 1. What is answer? 4 minus 1. So, open 4 fingers. Open 4 fingers. Only 4. Only 4. Only 4 show me. 4 show me. Only 4 show me. So, from this 4, close 1 finger. Okay, what is remaining?
3.
Very good. 3. Very good. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Saria. 6 minus 3. What is answer? 6 minus 3. Open 6 fingers and close 3 fingers.
3.
Very good. Very good. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now, Evelyn. 5 minus 1. What is answer? 5 minus 1, Evelyn? 5 minus 1. Show me 5 fingers. Okay, from this 5, you have to close 1 finger. 5 minus 1. What is remaining, Evelyn?
4.
4. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4.
Thank
Then,
you, ma'am.
okay, Joseph Sebi, please unmute. Joseph, please unmute. Joseph, tell me answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
6 minus 2. What is the answer? 6 minus 2. Open 6 fingers and close 2 fingers. What is remaining? 6 minus 2. 4. Very good. Now, Ritika. 8 minus 2. What is the answer? 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. What is the answer? 8 minus 2.
8. 6.
Very good, very good. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now, ma'am is going to share the screen. Arnav, please unmute Arnav. And tell me answer. 5 minus 1. What is answer? 5 minus 1, Arnav? Show me 5 fingers. Okay, from this, close one finger.
4.
So what is answer? Very good, very good. All of you, please take a notebook and pencil. Please take a notebook and pencil. And I'm going to share the screen now. Please write in the notebook. Okay, please write this in the notebook. Let me share the screen. Subtraction using fingers. SUBTRACTION. Subtraction using fingers. All of you, please take notebook and take a fresh page and write. Take a fresh page and write.
fresh page.
Take a fresh page and write. 3 minus 1. Answer is 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is today's notes. So please open the notebook and write this in your notebook. Take a fresh page and write. SUBTRACTION. 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 Using fingers. USING. Using FINGERS. Using fingers.
Ma'am,
S.
out the one line.
It's okay, no problem. You can leave one line. It's okay. If you want, you can leave one line. It's okay, no problem.
Three minus 1 is equal to 2.
3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. From the bigger number only, we can subtract the smaller number. Okay. So we will write the bigger number first, then subtraction symbol, then the second number. And how we do using fingers, the bigger number, that much we will open our fingers. Then the second number, smaller number, from that we will close that much fingers. And the remaining fingers will give us the answer. Remaining fingers will give us the answer. The same I will forward in the group also. So those who can write now, they can copy from there.
Ma'am, I did not finish.
It's I'm not taking now. You please complete now. You can write now. I'm not taking now. You please complete now. We have 5 more minutes. So please write. Three minus 1 is equal to 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Yes. Very good, very good. Okay, those who completed, please check your answer. Those who completed, please check your answer. You use your fingers and check, is it correct or not? That answers are correct or not? You please check. Those who have completed, please check your answers. Please mute your device and check. Otherwise, it will be a disturbance for others. 3 minus 1. So open 3 fingers and close from 1. So we will get it 2. 5 minus 2. So open 5 fingers. From that close 2 fingers. So it will be 3. 7 minus 5. So open 7 fingers. From that you close 5 fingers. So it's equal to 2. 5 minus 1. So open 5 fingers. From that you close 1 finger. You will get 4. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 were there, 2 taken away. So what is remaining? Nothing. It is 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. And 6 minus 4. So 6 you can open. From that 6 close 4 fingers and see what is remaining. 8 minus 5. So open 8 fingers. From that you close 5 fingers and see the remaining number of fingers. And 0 minus 0, 0 itself. Nothing missing. And 4 minus 4 is equal to 0.
Task completed.
Very good, very good.
Answer
Please be quiet. Very good. Please be quiet.
completed.
Very good, very good. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Please check your answers by muting your device and don't disturb others. Those who are writing, let them wait. And we have 5 minutes, so please check your answers. Three minus 1 is equal to 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, very good. Please be quiet. Those who have completed, please check your answers with the fingers.
Ma'am, I took answer.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, I checked my answer.
Very good. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, okay, good. So tomorrow we will.
answer check.
Okay.
I checked the answers.
Okay, everyone, what about others? You all have completed. Let me stop sharing. Okay, some are still writing. Let them write.
Answer is correct.
Okay, very good. Very good.
Answer is the
See you
correct.
next day.
Ma'am, my answer is correct. Finish candy.
Just after 2 minutes. After 2 minutes you can leave. Who is writing still? Who is writing?
Veena.
I will put in.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the same I will forward in the group also. Okay, so let me stop sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me stop sharing. Okay,
Yes,
the same I will put in the group also. So, bye bye. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye.